Using the smart cruise control system inside of Kia vehicles is straightforward. So along the left side there, once you're driving, you're just going to turn it on, and then you can increase or decrease 1 kilometer or 1 mile per hour at a time. You can press in order to pause if you want to. You can also hit the brake if you want to turn it off. You can see that I've got it set at 60. The car in front of me is going significantly slower, so it is keeping me kind of up to speed with traffic. So it's a useful system if you've got a lead foot. There's a distance indicator, so how close or far away do you want to be from the vehicle that's in front of you? So it's going to start slowing me down even more there. So it's really a matter of preference there. And then there's also the lane follow assist. So one of the big benefits of the lane follow assist is that as long as it recognizes the lane markings, it's going to keep you perfectly balanced in your lane. So it's very, very smart from that perspective. Love it. There are some paddle shifters there too, so paddle on the left and the right-hand side. So the one on the left is useful. So I'm just going to turn off the cruise for a second. And then if you go all the way to the left, so it turns on the I pedal, so the I drive. What that's going to do, that's essentially one pedal driving. So if you take your foot off the accelerator, you slow down very, very rapidly. And then the other side of it is that if you go on the right one instead, that's going to turn you more into like an internal combustion feel where you're using the accelerator and the brake together. So a little bit more of that traditional drive. It's also a series of selectable drive modes. So Eco, Normal, Sport, or there's also a Snow mode if you press and hold the drive mode button there. I personally love the look of the cluster and the performance when you get into the Sport mode, but that one does come down to a matter of personal preference. I just really, really like that mode. So in a nutshell, turn on the system there along the very top left, set your speed. You can pause it if you want to, or resume if you come down to a complete stop. Figure out how close or far you are away from the vehicle that's in front of you, and then turn on your lane follow assist. And as I mentioned, the big benefit of that lane follow assist is that it's going to let you know if there's a vehicle, it's going to keep you perfectly balanced in your lane as you go. It's actually interesting, nice and tricky in order to explain this as I'm driving, but that's how you use the smart cruise control system inside of Kia vehicles. I'm just going to hop over here. I love these safety settings. So good. And back down. Love it. So honestly, I love all of the different safety warnings there. So if you get too close to a potential vehicle in front of you, it's going to let you know. There are just a number of great ones. Another cool one here is that, so I'm fully braked right now. So the cars in front of me, as they start moving, I'm going to get a little indicator letting me know that the leading car has taken off. So I want to show you what that's like, but walking through the basics again. So paddle shifter there is going to let you go into I pedal mode on the far left-hand side. So that's one pedal driving. Along the right side takes you out, and then you can see there which mode you're in as you go. So there are a series of different modes, and that's your regenerative braking minimum or maximum. So I want to go maximum regenerative braking along the side there. That's for one pedal, or the I pedal drive versus. So very straightforward there. I love it. Watch this. Lead car is driving away. Make sure you're paying attention. Very straightforward. I love the wheel overall. You're going to find a lot of the very similar setup in a number of other Kia vehicles. So it's going to be your little shifters there to move between your different modes, toggle on the adaptive cruise or the smart cruise control system and things like that, and then adjust out your drive mode. So it's very straightforward using this system inside of Kia vehicles.